لا يجب على المستطيع أن يحج من ماله. Do I have to do Hajj from my money? Like many people, they have this belief. No, 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 no. I can't go with somebody gave me a gift Hajj or money of Hajj gift or loan or this and that. فَلَوْ حَجَّ مُتَسَكِّعًا. What is Hajj مُتَسَكِّعًا? The people, they don't have, but they beg money, okay, and they go. Somebody will give him food. Back those days, you see, it was easy. Nowadays, it will be difficult to have Hajj mutasakki unless you have begged for a whole year and you're a beggar and you got the $10,000 through your begging. And like in those days, he will just go in Hajj. What will happen? He doesn't have money for food. He doesn't have money. So the people will, oh, come eat with us. Or come like sleep in their tent or in their room or whatever. Because he doesn't have any place to stay, any food to eat. So this is called mutasakki, and here and there and here and there, he collects everything. Okay. And the example nowadays could be the guy who has borrowed money from this, borrowed money from that, borrowed money, a gift from here, gift there. He's collected all these 10,000 from various sources. So regardless, he's collected through halal means or haram means. So he goes for Hajj. Okay. فلو حج متسكعا أو من مال شخص آخر ولو غصبا أجزأه. Okay. So if he does that from here and there and here and there, okay, and then or from someone else's wealth, or even by wealth he has usurped. That means, remember that Irfani guy, hyperbolic, who goes for Hajj with the people of other people and without telling them, without informing them. So he goes for Hajj. Okay. That Hajj will be sufficient on one condition. However, إذا كان ساتره في الطواف أو في صلاة الطواف مغصوبا فالأحوط وجوبا أن لا يجتزئ به. What does that mean? That means because tawaf attire should be halal. Okay. Otherwise it will become invalid. And if tawaf is invalid, kiss your Hajj goodbye. Salat al-tawaf. In salat you cannot have usurped. So if that usurped money was not used in the attire of tawaf or attire of salat al-tawaf, okay, then you are okay. Though you are a sinner for looting somebody's money, not giving and going for Hajj, you are a sinner. It's a sin. But is my Hajj, should I kiss my Hajj goodbye? No. As long as your dress of tawaf and your dress of salat were not from that usurped money. If it was from the usurped money on the obligatory precaution, your Hajj is not sufficient. So there are two things, sinning and sufficiency of the ibadah. So you sin and your Hajj becomes invalid. Or you sin, but your Hajj is not invalid because your dress was not from that money. But the sin is there and you have to seek repentance and seek forgiveness from that person and give him his money back. Then the sin will be removed. What about the goat of sacrifice? وَلَوْ كَانَ ثَمَنُ هَدِيهِ مَغْصُوبًا لَمْ يُجْزِئْهُ إِلَّا إِذَا اشْتَرَاهُ بِثَمَنٍ فِي الذِّمَّةِ وَوَفَاهُ مِنَ الْمَغْصُوبِ. What about if the money of the sacrifice, ثَمَنُ الْهَدِي, مَغْصُوبًا, usurped, لَمْ يُجْزِئْهُ, it will not be sufficient. إِلَّا إِذَا اشْتَرَاهُ بِثَمَنٍ فِي الذِّمَّةِ وَوَفَاهُ مِنَ الْمَغْصُوبِ. Unless you stole somebody's money and you said that I will pay you later on. So you purchase the item on a loan, late payment, okay? Like you buy the goat now, pay later. So he purchased the goat or the sheep of sacrifice on debt, let's say from credit card, okay? So, and then later on, so he slaughtered it in the Hajj. So slaughter was done when the agreement was okay. It's a debt. You have to pay it later on. So what happened? He did not pay from his money. He paid from usurped money. So will his sacrifice be correct? Sayyid Sistani says it will be correct because he sacrificed. The moment he sacrificed, he was not a usurper. He did not plan to pay from the usurped money. He was planning to pay, even if he had desire to pay from the usurped money. But still, he had not paid. He might change his mind and he might from halal money. So what happens here? That the sacrifice was correct. Even though he paid the sacrifice money later on with the usurped money.